Alright, it finally started raining. It's supposed to start snowing in about an hour. It's not very cold out here. I don't know why the hell the weather says stuff like that. Everything is bolted down. I'll walk over here. Trestle coming through. I already put the trucks on the orecar on here. It rolls very nice, very secure. The only bad thing is the bucket weighs about 300 pounds, so that'll be interesting to get up here on this little, not a big hill, but it's still a hill. And if it doesn't stop raining and start snowing, it'll be another few days before I get this done. For another look at this. Yeah, there's the trucks. Track, everything's getting ready to go around the corner where everything rotted out. That's the pond filter. Pond. Of course, the fish don't think it's winter. We'll check out for the evening. I don't want to break my back